Charter has increased its internet upload and download speeds again. Now I can download 50 pictures in under a minute, or 8 songs in 20 seconds. I can do anything.
Hello, everyone. Time for that UpNorthLive.com forecast. A lot's going on in the weather department here the next couple of days. First off, it's going to be hot, hazy, and humid. Tuesday, very muggy Tuesday night, and then into Wednesday, very warm. And we also have a chance for some storms. We saw some of those Monday night, early Tuesday. In fact, some damage reported in Grand Traverse County. But here's the situation on our Tuesday. We have a warm front right here. Tuesday morning, storms may lift and develop along that as we head into the afternoon. In fact, you can see some of these right here Tuesday evening. I don't think the storm coverage is going to be very widespread Tuesday, but a few storms are certainly possible. And again, a hazy, hot day as we head into the afternoon. Very muggy, quiet Tuesday night. It stays dry. And then Wednesday, more of the same, another very warm day. But there are signs to the west of a cool down. This is a cold front. Now, this will not really get here until Wednesday night, early Thursday. But when it does, it will knock the heat and the humidity down and also bring in the chance for a few showers and thunderstorms midweek and then into Thursday. You can start to see that cooling process taking place here. I want to just quickly run these numbers by you. This is a look at the rain totals that we had with those storms Monday night, early Tuesday. We picked up 4 or 5 inches of rain here near Nobbin Way in Mackinac County. Bob, our weather watcher at Rayber, located here, had 3 1/4 inches of rain measured in his bucket outside. We had 2.3 inches at Charlevoix, and you can see the big rains that fell across much of northern Michigan. High temperatures on your Tuesday, we're looking at a lot of 80s, some spots near 90, but it's going to be more humid Tuesday. When you factor in the humidity, it'll feel more like the low 90s in spots, and then here's the muggy weather Tuesday night, early Wednesday, with mid and upper 60s and low 70s expected. There's the winds. They'll be out of the south, continuing to churn in and pump in that heat and humidity. Tuesday, Wednesday, winds out of the southwest, still breezy. There is that 7-day forecast. Hot and humid, the very warm weather lingering into Wednesday, which is our first day of summer. You can see that there. Chance of a storm Thursday morning along our cold front, and then we drop back into the 70s. We may see a few afternoon light rain showers Friday. Another chance for showers and some thunderstorms late Saturday and then into the day on Sunday. Highs over the weekend in the 70s.